you want your leftover pizza nice and crispy, follow along and I'll show you how to get the pizza nice and crispy in the oven. Take a listen. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today I'm going to be warming up some leftover pizza. I'm not going to use the microwave because the microwave, doesn't seem to get the pizza tasting just the way, it should be. So I'm going to show you guys how I use the oven to warm up pizza from the day before, maybe a couple days later, but this gives it the nice crisp, in the crust that you're looking for, and also just makes everything taste good, like I said, like if it was just freshly made. So the first step that you want to make sure, you want to take out your pizza or whatever you're going to be, warming up. You want to take it out maybe 30 minutes to an hour before you crank on the oven. So this now is going to be sitting out for about 10-15 minutes. So let's go ahead and get the oven preheated. And so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your oven to 375. Again, that's the perfect temperature. And here you can see I have a piece of foil on a cooling rack. You could use a baking sheet, but get, a piece of foil. And what you want to do now at this point is you want to go ahead and put it in your oven on the top rack. And you're going to let that all preheat all together while the oven's going. So we'll give it about 10-15 minutes for the oven to fully preheat to 375, and then we'll put the pizza in there. So come back shortly. So the oven's now preheated, so let's go ahead and get this pizza out. As you can see, it's basically come to room temperature now, so there's really no crisp to the crust. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get this put onto the oven. So you have your foil and you have your heating tray, your cooling rack here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and get this onto the oven. And actually, let me take this out. All right, and you're basically just going to go ahead and slide this on there. And we're going to get it straight back into the oven. All right, so get that closed, and we're going to go ahead and set a timer now for 10 minutes. And we'll let that go ahead and cook 10 minutes, and you'll see how crispy and perfect that pizza is. All right, so the timer just went off. Let's go ahead and pull the pizza out. Let's get the mitt. And let's take a look. Again, this was 10 minutes on 375. Cheese isn't gonna be super bubbly, but it is gonna be nice and hot. So let's go ahead and take a listen to this crust. So much more crisp, as you can tell. And this is going to be perfect. The bottom, again, is going to be nice and crispy because, again, you had it on the foil. And, again, it was preheating in the oven. So, again, this is going to be the perfect crisp for the pizza. It's not dried out. The cheese is going to be nice and soft and hot. Not going to be super bubbly, but it's not also going to burn your mouth. So, again, this is perfect. So, let me get this cooled down, and then we'll take a bite. All right, so now that the pizza's cooled down, let's go ahead and just take a cut, and you can see nice and crispy, which is just perfect. Microwave, again, will probably just dry it out, so this is just going to be perfect for your leftover pizza. And again, I do this all the time when I want my pizza the next day or I have extra slices. And again, this just gives off just the perfect pizza. So let's just get a bite of this crust. Oh yeah. Tastes just like it was freshly made. So yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe, turn on that bell notification, be notified when I do make new videos. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.